Hello and welcome to Maths by SAS. This is my 12th lesson of D3 exercise 8D, that is about the cosine law. In this class, students will be learning and discussing question number 17, and as the question is long, so I've written the question in short form. Let me read the question from the book. Question 17 says, in the figure P lies on AB such that A to P is 5 centimeter and B to P is 3 centimeters. The point Q lies on AC line such that A to Q is 6 centimeter and Q to C is 7 centimeter, and we have BC line 14 centimeter and we have to find the length PQ. Okay, now first let's discuss the diagram here. That if we look at outer big triangle, we are given with all three lengths of that triangle. Let me draw the figure at this place. There are two triangles with us. One is outer big triangle, okay, which is ACB, and one is the inner small triangle. This is my ABC triangle, and in ABC triangle, this A to B side is 8 centimeter. 8 centimeter. Let me see the measurements once again. There has to be no mistake in the data. 5 plus 3 is 8, and 6 and 7 is 13, and this is 14. And we have one inner small triangle with us. Inner small triangle, which is APQ, AP and Q. This is A, this is B, this is Q, this is 5 and 6, and this PQ is the requirement of the question. Okay, we have to find this side. Now students, you have to recall the concept of the solution of triangles, that the triangle is not the right angle triangle, so we cannot apply Pythagoras theorem or basic trigonometric ratios. So we have to think about, as we have to find the length, so we have to think about either the sine law or cosine law. Sine law or cosine law. Sine law we cannot apply in the beginning because none of the angles is given. So we have to apply cosine law in the beginning to find one angle of the triangle. That will be helping me in finding actual requirement of the question. Now if we look at vertex A or angle A, which is the common angle of both the triangles. So in order to find PQ length, which is A, we first have to find the value of angle A with the help of outer big triangle by applying cosine law, because just three lengths are given. So according to cosine law, in triangle ABC, AB and C, what we are going to do is that we have to find angle A. So A square, this is A, this is B, and this is C. A square equals to B square plus C square minus 2BC and cos of angle A. And now I have the value of A with B, which is 14 square. B has the value 13. 6 plus 7 is 13 square. And C has the value 8 square minus 2 into 13 into 8 and cos of angle A. Okay, now 14 square is 196, 13 is 169, plus 64 minus 2 times 13 multiplied by 8, 2 multiplied by 13 multiplied by 8 is 208 cos of angle A. 64 169 plus 64 Okay, again this is the common error that students start solving these all numbers together. Be careful that this 208 has cos of A multiplied with this. We cannot add up these three numbers. We simply have to add up these two numbers. 169 plus 64, and this gives me 233 minus 208 cos of angle A, 196. Now what I have to do, I have to shift it to other side. 196 minus 233 equals to minus 208 and cos of angle A. 196 minus 233, 196. This gives me 37 with negative sign. 37 equals to minus 208 and cos of angle A. Okay, and now in order to find cos of A, I have to shift the coefficient, which is 208 to other side, which is equal to cos of A. Minus sign goes with minus sign. Cos of angle A equals to 37 by 208. Either you can leave your working at this stage, or what we can do is that we can convert it into degrees. Okay, 37 divided by 37 divided by 208. This is cos of angle A equals to 0.1778, or A equals to cos inverse of 0.1778 in degrees. Okay, be careful, your mode of calculator must be in the degrees, otherwise your working will be incorrect. 0.1778 and close the bracket. Cos inverse of 0.1778. 1778 inverse 0.1778. This gives me 79.75 degrees. Angle A 79.75 degrees. So we have this common angle with us. Okay, one of the problem is solved, and now for actual requirement for finding PQ, what we have to do, we have to take this in a small triangle. Okay, always give a reference of the triangle A, P and Q. This is A, P and Q. This is small a. This is 6 and 5, and cos of this angle we just have calculated. Okay, so what we are going to do is that in triangle APQ, A, P and Q, this is again A square will be equal to this is A, which is unknown, this is P and this is Q. P square plus Q square minus 2PQ, learn the formula, and cos of angle A. Cos of angle A, it's your choice, either you can use the degrees or you can use the fraction, because in the previous question we use the fraction, so in this question I will also be applying the same technique. So A square equals to P square, which is 6 square plus 5 square minus 2 into 6 into 5, and instead of cos of A I will be writing 37 by 208. So it will take the form 36 plus 25 minus 5 6 are 30, 2s are 60, minus 60 multiplied by 37 by 208. So 37 multiplied by 60, 60 multiplied by 37. This gives me 36 plus 25 minus 2220 divided by 208 divided by 208. This is minus 10.67, and 6 and 5 is 11, 61. 36 plus 25 minus 10.67, and this is A square will be equal to 50.33, and in order to get value of the length, I have to take square root of this. Take the square root. 7.09. So A actually is PQ is 7.09 centimeter. I hope you are really clear about these two questions. Please watch my lessons, like, share and subscribe the channel, and do not forget to press bell icon to get a notification of every lesson in time. Thank you very much.